Hey you, welcome to Beauty Over 40. Today we are talking a little bit of skincare. Today we're going to be trying out the Beauty Stat Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. If you like to experience this cream with me, definitely stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to moisturize my lips first. I'm going to pop this little thing out because see this little thing I'm popping out because barely anything comes out. There we go. Now I don't have to struggle to get any out. Now that our lips are nice and hydrated, we're going to feature a product that's in my BoxyCharm box. I was just thinking, what video am I going to do next? I know I still have this Estee Lauder foundation to do, but I had already did 2 foundation videos, so I wanted to kind of spread it out a little bit as far as the foundations. Alright, we're just going to dig in and see what's inside. See, this is what I'm talking about, BoxyCharm. This is what I still call it. I didn't like Ipsy. Ooh. Alright, we have a deep cleanser with red clay by, I thought it was Arm & Hammer, but First Aid Beauty. First Aid Beauty. BoxyCharm always come through. I have a cleanser that I previously received in BoxyCharm box and I'm almost out of it, so that's just in time. Then we have Cupid's Arrow Full Color Stylo. I know when I worked at MAC we call stylos brow products. So let's see. This is definitely not a brow product. Well, maybe, but I would not put black on my brows. So that's really black. That's like charcoal black. It's really black. I love how black that is though. That'd be great for a smoky eye base. Yeah, that would be perfect for a smoky eye base. All right, let's see. Next we have Beauty Stat Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. Okay, that looks luscious. All right, and then I have No Chill Mascara, Brown Broom. Never really had a brown mascara. All right, and then next we have this is cute. Hydrogel Eye Therapy Tear Catchers. Well, I didn't really get anything in here to, I guess I could do the moisture cream. Okay, and there are how many? 6 pairs in here. This is unique. Tear catchers. Apply to makeup free under eye. Wear for 20-30 minutes. Remove hydrogel eye therapy patches. And gently tap any remaining essence into your skin. Okay. I wonder why they call them tear catchers. That threw me off. Okay, so basically it's an eye patch. That sounds nice. Alright, so we're just going to use the moisturizer. Let's see if they have anything in here about it. Looks like it is not a featured product for the month because I don't see that in there. So we will just find our own information about it. All right, so first I'm gonna tone my skin because we love doing that. All right, first I'm gonna go in with my St. Ives AHA Exfoliating Toner. I've mentioned many times I love toning my skin. It's almost like I can feel the pH coming back into my skin after I've cleansed it and scrubbed it and done all I could do to it. This smells really good too. It's apricot scented, very light scent. I can definitely feel it exfoliating my skin. Not today, but sometimes I can feel like a little tingling in my skin. All right, so let's look up this moisturizer. All right, let's go in with our serum next, and this is another product I got out of BoxyCharm. It's the Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. It's a serum, girl. All right, a little bit. All right, we're just gonna read a little bit about this. Let's see. It has a rating of 4.7 and 95% of respondents would recommend this product to a friend. It is $32. Let's see. This 24-hour hydrating probiotic barrier cream is a unique, light as airy daily moisturizer packed full of probiotics, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides that help revitalize dull, dehydrated skin. Probiotic Moisture Boost Cream is a unique, light as airy probiotic moisturizer that revitalizes dull, dehydrated skin by helping to repair the skin barrier function. Formulated rare reishi mushroom extract to help heal and smooth. Plus our proprietary moisture barrier repair of ceramides, vitamin F, and hyaluronic acid. This hydrating moisturizer provides 24 hours of moisture boost, leaving skin refreshed and supple. Benefits: 24-hour of hydration. Light as air gel cream, absorb into the skin easily with lightweight texture, no heavy or greasy feel. Helps repair dull, rough, dehydrated. Formulated for all skin tones, texture types. Dermatologist and clinically tested. Power pack ingredients: biofermented nutrient complex, bifidus, and reishi mushroom extract. Heals and soothes skin. We talked about that. Full ingredients. First ingredient is water. And then the next ingredient is dimethicone. Let's read about that real quick. Okay, dimethicone is a silicone polymer with a wide variety of uses, from cosmetics to industrial lubrication. So that's that. All right, so let's dig into this and see how it feels on skin. All right, so for $32, you get a 1 ounce. Okay, and it does have this little protector there. And who else does this? I want to use all the products. Okay, so there is, you can't, okay, there you can kind of see it there. It looks kind of translucent. You can see there. Feels really good so far. Like, I can go in with moisturizer, guys. I just love how it feels. Okay. Doesn't really have a scent, but it's just really good. All right, so we're gonna let this sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. After that, I will come back and see. Let's see what it does with my makeup. I wanted to come back on really quick. I recently did I think my previous video was the About Face, the Performer Foundation. I really like this, guys. I really like it. I have not gotten a lot of transfer. It wears really well. I'm not crazy about this applicator just because, you know, hopefully your face is clean before you're applying this, but I can't really control it. Like, I'm a one pump foundation girl and I just can't really control that with this doe foot anyway. But I wanted to come back on and, you know, let you guys know that I really, really, really like the foundation. All right, guys, just wanted to come back real quick, give my thoughts. This cream, okay, felt really good going on the skin, really smooth, really silky, melted into the skin really good. I feel like it works really great with my makeup. A lot of times you can use skincare and your makeup will start to bead up, or, you know, the product itself. So this is definitely, I would definitely say I like it. I did dive into the first couple of ingredients, but yeah, I definitely want to say that I do like this moisturizer. Again, feel really lightweight and really hydrating on the skin. That is it. So I will leave a link down below to this product if anyone is interested. If you guys have used this or heard of this product, please let me know what your thoughts are. Yeah, so that is it for my video, guys. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup. Also, my second handle on TikTok, which is _beautyover40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.